Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening up a package that we got from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia. I believe this is the dual vector tri-spinner. And yeah, he got this thing to review and he also sent it to me, so that's pretty nice of him. Thank you, Gavin. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out his YouTube channel, Dynamic Inertia. And yeah, let's get right into this thing. Hold on a second. Switch this up. There we go. Much better. Yeah. The side cuts really well. Alright, that's garbage. Alright. That's garbage. I'm gonna pop these. Alright, let me raise the camera a bit. Alright, there we go. So here it is, nice little orange case. Anything else in here? Nope. So I'm gonna put that aside. And here it is. So we're gonna be comparing this thing to my other tri-spinners. So yeah, can't wait to do that. All right, let's see what this is. Here we go. It's warm. You know what? I don't hate it. It's really good actually. Let me give you guys some close-ups. There you go. Not bad at all. You guys can get these from the Facebook group I'm gonna leave down below, from the maker of these. Really cool dude. He also makes the black hole coin. He's a known maker. And I believe he's doing a pre-order on these right now. So depending on when you guys are watching this, check his group out. I'll leave it down below. The buttons are kind of too slim. For example, when I'm spinning it, my thumb gets caught right there. I kind of wish these were more spread out so I could get a good grip on it like that, but it still spins good. I think Gavin also put a new bearing in here. Yep, full ceramic. I think, wait, no, I think those are, so I think this is actually ceramic and steel balls. And there you go, there's the logo, number 2. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty good. Spins well. The weight of this thing, 1 second, let me get the scale. So it's 63.69 grams. Turn that off, close it. But yeah, this thing is nice, man. Like, if you're spinning it with two hands, you can get a really good spin on it. But if you're doing it with one hand, you can still rip it good, but it's not as good. I mean, it's not the best spinner, I will say that, but it definitely is really good. I mean, this thing is $50 plus shipping, I believe. But yeah, for 50 bucks, this thing is great. I will say that. So now let's go ahead and compare it to some of my other tri-spinners I have. This is the skate spinner. The zirconium Vader. And the Zircuti Vader. So let's see. Honestly, I will take this thing over this. Like, this one feels and spins great. But, well, I mean, also these buttons are from the triangle, but they're just not that good at all. I'm gonna tell you guys now. They're too flat and slippery. So I took the buttons from this thing, put it on something else. And then I took, actually I put it on my stainless steel M3. So these are the buttons that go on this thing, and I took them from here, put on this, took the button from the triangle and put it on here because I don't use this as much. And yeah, man, this thing, like I said, if you spin it with two hands, this one spins well. I will say it's really hard to get a good spin on it with one hand, so that's why I don't like it. And this thing, where it's easier to do. Now it may be lighter by like 50 grams, but yeah, this one will, but yeah, this one is last in line for sure. So that one's out. Yeah, I mean, the triangle I like better than this thing for sure. Like, you see what I mean? You can take my, I can put my fingers and I can launch it really good. As with this thing, it's a bit like hot spotty when you do it. And you can't really like get a good grip, as you guys can see. Can't really like grab it over there. So yeah, triangle. So yeah, triangle is definitely better than this thing for me. So I'm gonna put that here. And then I'll take the Zircuti Vader. God, if this thing just had like more of a, if these things were like more up top here, it would be so much better to spin. But I just can't. This is so easy to spin, man. So that's gonna be better than this, better than this. That's second. And yeah, and this thing I already know is better than that 100%. Like, the Zirconium Vader is like my favorite thing in my collection, like right now. It spins so good for so long. And yeah, if you guys can get your hands on this one, I also recommend it. But this video is about this thing. Would I get this with my own money? I mean, probably. It's 50 bucks, man. Like, these days you can't really get a good quality spinner like this for $50. You'll see them mainly like maybe like $80 and $90. But this thing rips, man. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you're just getting into spinners. I'm gonna try it out, like a first quality spinner. This is definitely the one for you. Yeah, it's not bad. But these I will take over this one, and then I'll take this over this. So yeah. Again, the weight's like 63 grams in this thing. I forgot. Sorry about the lawnmower noise in the background. This thing, yeah, 63.9 grams. I mean, 6-7 grams. But yeah, this thing's pretty good. Actually, let me try it with the buttons from this thing, man. I may like it more. There you go. Oh yeah, definitely way better. Like you get more of a height between the finger and the body, and you can rip it really easy. Man, I just wish like they would make thicker buttons, man. Like I get it, the thin ones look pretty cool and like slim with the body, but sometimes, man, that is just not it with these spinners. For any creators watching, I would just make thicker buttons. Maybe like add the thinner buttons as an upsell or something like that, or maybe the other way around. But I would definitely recommend this with the thicker buttons. These are the NJT hand power buttons. If you guys don't have any NJT spinners, you can just order some NJT buttons from NJT himself. He can make you some custom ones, but not that much. So yeah, definitely recommend it with the buttons, with the NJT buttons. But these, man, I don't know, it's kind of hard. Like it definitely looks good with these buttons, but man, like I would recommend some thicker buttons for sure. It's hard to spin it with that body. Yeah, this thing is just below these. Also, I'll put this fourth in line in my tri-spinner collection. So yeah, all right. Well, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to check out their Facebook page down below if you guys want to order one of these. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications. I have a lot of crazy new videos coming out soon. You don't want to miss them. And some giveaways as well. So yeah, stay tuned and see you guys in the next one.